Hello, welcome to back, ASMR Majo. Are you comfortable? Good. Today, I'll be cleaning your ears, very gently, slowly, and carefully. Just relax, and let yourself sink into the calm. Let's start by gently inspecting your ears. I'm just going to take a look. Okay, a little bit of wax buildup, but nothing to worry about. I'll start with this soft cotton swab. Gentle swabbing sound, just a light touch, right ear first, in, and out, so soft, like a feather. Now I'm going to use this wooden ear pick. Tap tap tap, can you feel that? Just scratching the surface, very gently. I'm being very careful not to hurt you. You're doing great. Let's move to the left ear now. Whisper, just breathe in, and out. I'll begin with a light brushing. Tiny brushing sound with soft breathy voice. Brushing, brushing, brushing. From the top of your ear, all the way down to the lobe. And again, soft circles, gentle strokes. Can you hear the tiny bristles? They're so soft. Now I'll use a metal curette. It's cool to the touch, but very effective. Slow scrape.